Alright, today we're cooking something that's simple, comforting, and perfect for this season.
It's the squash season again, and I'm craving ginataang kalabasa, so let's make one.
I've got butternut squash, chicken breast, onion, garlic, coconut milk, and some chili pepper to give a little kick. I saved some of these squash seeds for next mid-spring and plant them in our garden. Do any of you grow your own veggies? Let me know what you're growing this season. Now, every time I see a squash, the first dish that comes to my mind is ginataan kalabasa or squash with coconut milk. Butternut squash is perfect for this dish because it has the sweet taste and buttery texture when cooked. What about you? What's your go-to dish when cooking with squash? Drop it in the comments. Some people love to add shrimp or ground pork, but today I'm going with chicken breast. I'm cubing it just like the squash, so everything cooks evenly. How do you like to prepare your chicken for dishes like this? Share your cooking tips below and I love to hear them. Is it just me or do any of you also miss your home country's food when living abroad? When I was in the Philippines, I would be always choosing Italian, Japanese, or other international cuisines. But now that I'm living in Germany, I find myself craving Filipino food all the time. For me, Filipino food will always be one of my ultimate comfort foods. This dish, it's just bring me back to home every time. And that's why I love cooking. It doesn't just feed your body, it feeds your soul. And sometimes it takes you back home, even if it's just for a moment. In Filipino cooking, spice isn't always a main element, but for those who enjoy it, adding chili to ginataang kalabasa can take the dish to the next level. It's not overpowering, just enough to enhance the natural flavors of coconut milk and the chicken or squash.
As a Filipino girly, this is so perfect with steamed rice. So let's try.
So that's it! Ginataang kalabasa, simple, comforting, and packed with flavor. Try this out and let me know how it turns out for you. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy and delicious meals. Oh, and remember, plant those squash seeds. See you in the next video.